Hi everyone, this is Jared, and I'm here to show you how to set up your EnGenius FreeStyl 1 cordless phone. The first step is to attach the provided antenna to the base unit. Please take note that the antenna port has a reverse thread connector. This means you'll need to turn the connector counterclockwise to attach the antenna, and turn clockwise to remove it. In other words, turn left to tighten the antenna and right to remove it. The next step is to plug in the AC adapter into the back of the FreeStyl base unit. If the power LED lights up, the base unit is receiving power. Now you'll need to install the line cord. One is supplied with your system, or you can simply reuse an existing cord that may already be plugged into your wall jack. Simply plug into the back of the FreeStyl base unit, plug the cord into the plug labeled line. You should hear a click to confirm that the cord is securely fastened. Please note that the other identical plug is labeled tel. This is where you plug in the answering machine or other types of telephones. The handset that comes with your base unit will already be pre-registered. If you purchase an additional handset, you'll need to register with the base station. From the FreeStyl handset, press the menu soft key. This can be found on the right-hand side of the handset, just under the display screen. Now use the down arrow on the navigation button and scroll down until you see 7, registration in the telephone's display. Now press select, which is the left soft key just under the display screen, to enter the registration mode. On the back of the base unit, press and hold the registration button for about 2 seconds or until the speaker and intercom LEDs light up and flash. The base unit should also emit a beeping sound to let you know you're in registration mode. Now on the handset, press the 1 key on the dial pad and the registration process is complete. A handset ID between 11 and 19 will be applied automatically. This 2-digit ID is the intercom number for this new handset. Now that you've set up your base station and handsets, let's learn how to use some of the handset's basic features. If you want to customize your handset's ringtone or volume, press the menu soft key to enter the menu mode. Press 3 to change your sound settings. Press 1 to select ring volume. Use the up and down buttons to scroll through the 6 options. You can also change the ring volume of the handset simply by pushing the up arrow on the handset. Press 2 to select a ringtone. Use the up and down buttons to scroll through the 8 available ringers. Press the select soft key to save your selection. Press 3 to select key volume. Use the up and down buttons to scroll through the 4 options. Press 4 to select key tone. Use the up and down buttons to scroll through the 4 options. If you want to customize a name tag, press the menu soft key to enter the menu mode. Press 5 to change your phone settings. Press 5 again to set a name tag. When set to on, if the caller ID matches phone book entries, the LCD will display the name or nickname of the caller instead of pure caller ID info. This will also allow you to see the unique names of other FreeStyl handsets when using the intercom or PA features. If you want to create a custom name for your handset, press the menu soft key to enter the menu mode. Press 5 to change your phone settings. Press 7 to set your custom name. Enter characters using the character table found in the FreeStyl manual on page Roman numeral XX or 20. Use the up and down arrows to move the cursor forward or backward. Press the Save soft key to confirm your selection. This new name should now appear on the idle screen of this FreeStyl handset. To make a phone call from this handset, press the green talk button. From here you'll receive a dial tone and can make a call. To use the handset's speakerphone function, use the speakerphone button. You can press the speakerphone button anytime during a call to switch between speaker or handset receiver. Turning off the speakerphone will not disconnect a call. To end a call, simply press the red end call button. To add a name into the handset's phone book, press the menu soft key. Then press 2 or scroll down to the phone book option and press select. Press the Add soft key on the left to add a contact. enter the name when the LCD prompts name. Press the delete soft key to delete the last digit entered. You can add up to 16 characters per name. When completed, press the save soft key to save your selection. You'll next be prompted to enter a number. Up to 26 digits can be used for a number including pause, flash options. After entering the number, press the save soft key. You can add up to 50 entries into a handset's phone book. To make a wireless intercom call between handsets, press the blue intercom button in the middle of the handset. And then enter the 2-digit handset ID or group ID. To make a two-way or intercom call from the handset to the base unit, press the intercom button. Then press the left soft key labeled base. The base will ring until the intercom button is pressed. To redial a number, press the redial soft key on the main screen of the handset. The LCD will show the last phone number dialed. To redial this number, press the green call button. You can use the up and down arrows to scroll through the last 10 numbers dialed. To make a PA broadcast from a handset to another handset, press and hold the push-to-talk button on the left side of the handset. Once you hear a beeping sound, you'll be broadcasting to all handsets within communication coverage. To end broadcasting, release the push-to-talk button. To broadcast to an individual handset or a group of handsets, enter the 2-digit handset or group ID. Then press and hold the push-to-talk button. Once you hear a beeping sound, you'll be broadcasting to the handsets within the group ID. To end broadcasting, release the push-to-talk button. To put a call on hold, press the caller ID or hold key. To return to the call, press the unhold soft key. If you press the end call button while a call is on hold, other handsets can pick up the call using the green call button. The base station can pick up this held call by pressing the speaker key. Next, we'll demonstrate some of the functions of the base station. To make a call from the base station, simply press the speaker key, wait for a dial tone, and dial the number. To end the call, press the speaker key again. Redial a number, press the speaker key, wait for the dial tone, press the redial button, and the last number called will be redialed. The base unit can store up to 20 entries in its speed dial memory. To enter a number into the speed dial memory, during standby mode, press the memory key and enter a phone number. Next, press the memory key again, followed by a 2-digit memory location. The memory location numbers are between 00 and 19. If successful, the base will emit a 2-tone sound to confirm the setting. To dial a number from speed dial memory from the base unit, press the speaker key, then hit the memory key, and then input the 2-digit memory location. The base will dial the entered number. To make a two-way or intercom call from the base station, hit the intercom button, and the first handset to answer will establish a direct connection with the base unit. To make a two-way or intercom call from the base station to a specific handset or group, enter the 2-digit handset ID or group ID and press the intercom button. The intercom LCD will blink until a handset responds. To broadcast from the base unit to all handsets, press and hold the broadcast button. Once you hear a beeping sound, you'll be broadcasting to all available handsets. To end broadcasting, release the broadcast button. You should now be able to use your FreeStyl handsets and base unit. For any other instructions, please review your user manual. Hi everyone, this is Jared, and I'm here to show you how to set up your EnGenius FreeStyl 1 cordless phone. First step is to attach the provided antenna to the base unit. Please take note that the antenna port has a reverse thread connector. This means you'll need to turn the connector counterclockwise to attach the antenna, and turn clockwise to remove it. In other words, turn left to tighten the antenna and right to remove it. The next step is to plug in the AC adapter into the back of the FreeStyl base unit. If the power LED lights up, the base unit is receiving power. Now you'll need to install the line cord. One is supplied with your system, or you can simply reuse an existing cord that may already be plugged into your wall.